Tara, let's explore this brand new furnished 5-bedroom house with home theater na siguradong magugustuhan mo. This property sits on a 380 square meter lot with a floor area of 489.2 square meters. Tignan mo naman ang fasad. Sumisigaw ng sophistication and elegance. Tignan mo naman ang frontage mo, sobrang haba. And dito naman ang iyong pedestrian gate. Pero bago tayo pumasok dyan, I'll show you this massive 3-vehicle carport gate. Tara, pasok tayo.